Loans are considered by many to be the last resort type of financial aid. That is because student loans eventually must be repaid, typically with interest. Therefore, apply for a student loan only after you have exhausted all other options. If you must apply for a loan, try to borrow only what you need. There are various types of student loans, the primary ones being the federal Stafford loans, both subsidized and unsubsidized, parent loans for undergraduate students, and alternative private loans. The federal Stafford loans require you to complete the FAFSA application. This helps in determining financial need. Subsidized loans are for those students who demonstrate financial need through the FAFSA, and the government pays the interest while you are in school. Interest does not begin accruing until 6 months after you fall below half-time enrollment, graduate, or stop attending. The unsubsidized portion is not tied to financial need. Interest begins accruing once the funds are dispersed. The interest is capitalized, adding interest to the loan balance, which increases the size of the loan and the amount to be repaid. And while you may choose to pay the interest while in school, it is not required. Both the subsidized and unsubsidized Stafford loan require repayment, which begins 6 months after the student graduates or falls below the half-time enrollment. While standard repayment is 10 years, you may also request alternative repayment terms, such as graduated payment plan and income contingent repayment by consolidated loans. The Stafford loan limits may change annually. Additionally, there are separate limits for independent undergraduate students and dependent undergraduate students, as well as graduate or professional students and medical students. Whether a student is considered independent or dependent is based on how certain questions on the FAFSA were answered. The PLUS loan is available to parents of undergraduate students to pay for their children's education. In addition, as of July 1st, 2006, graduate and professional students may also borrow money through the PLUS program. Unlike the Stafford loans, PLUS loans eligibility is based on credit. Alternative and private loans are available if you still require additional funding. Lenders offer a variety of these supplemental loans. However, they are different than Stafford loans in that they require a credit check and usually a cosigner. In addition, most have an interest rate that is variable and not fixed. Consider this type of loan only after you have exhausted all other options. The amount you can borrow in a Stafford loan depends on your year in school and whether the loan is subsidized or unsubsidized. There is a maximum amount per semester and a maximum cumulative amount for undergraduate and graduate studies. For military members, the interest rate on your loan may be changed to and capped at a lower rate during your active duty service. This applies to Stafford loans and borrowers in military service as of August 14, 2008. For PLUS loans, you may borrow up to the cost of attendance minus any other financial aid such as Stafford loans and scholarships. Each school has a different application process for student loans. Some may have you complete the loan application online, while others may have you complete a paper application. Be sure to check with the school you plan to attend. In addition, the application for alternative or private student loans is typically done online through the lender. For additional information regarding the various types of loans available to enrolled students and to access a loan repayment calculator, follow the links at the bottom of the screen.